ask you. What do you want? Fantastic. What do you want? Exactly. It's the same thing when you go in front of a machine. It's only that it cannot tell you what you want. You're supposed to give it context of what you want. Why are you here? Why do you want to engage with it? Why am I saying that? It's because today's ChatGPT and AI have been trained about the emotions of you and me. Please, I want you to understand this. It has been trained on whether you're sad or you're not, whether you're going to regard it as a human or not. So if you go in and say, create for me a proposal, it's not going to waste time. It's going to pick everything. Remember I told you how AI has been trained from billions of data. So it doesn't care about you because you don't care about it. You went and said, create for me a proposal. So to create for you, it's for example, now I'll give you examples of your friends. Okay, maybe not your friends might understand you. Just a person, your classmate, and tell me, give me yesterday's notes. Give me yesterday's notes. I'm waiting on what will the person you are borrowing notes from do. What will they do? They will just give you, isn't it? They won't tell you what the lecturer was talking about. They won't go out of their way. The same thing with AI. Now, today I'm going to show you the secret of how to engage in AI. It does not matter what AI you use. If you get this, you can build anything with AI anywhere in the world. Are we ready to understand that? Yeah. If you're able to write this down, write craft. Craft. C-R-A-F-T. C-R-A-F-T. I'm just going to write it here. I'm teaching you how to speak to AI today. And then we will go and see examples and then we finish, okay? C-R-A-F-T. Now, because of speed, I'm going to move ahead and tell you C stands for context. Remember when I said when you go to rector's office and you just stand ask you, waiting up, what waiting up on? Well, what's happening, okay? So context, tell AI, I am here because I'm supposed to write a business proposal for my milk company that I want to sell in the town of Shaki. So when you enter a particular room, you have to give background. AI, number one, first, sorry, my mistake. You have to greet AI. How are you? Why? Because it has to understand, remember, AI from 2025 October. If you've been seeing it, been saying, how are you? Hi. Maybe to eat up your token, that is one reason, but when you say, hi, how are you today, it shifts its gears to understand it's engaging with a human being. So what is it going to do? It's going to respond to you as a human being. And then secondly, when you give it context, remember it has billions of data. It will filter away everything that is C in context. Give it context, give it history. I am here because I want to write a proposal for, or I am here because I want to do research in ABC. And then now we move on to the next. What is the next one? R. Role. Role. Give it a role. Give it a role, give it a title. You are my research expert. You are my research expert. I want you to help me do this research paper. What are you doing? Number one, remember, even the best researchers in the world, their data is in ChatGPT, is already in AI, so you don't need to overthink. Now, it is adjusting its engine to become the best researchers that you can use at the moment in which you need it stuff. Do you understand that? So if it's a business plan, you are the best business planner. You are the best business analyst. So you have told it, I am here because I want you to do for me a business plan. You are my excellent business planner, the best in Oyo State, the best in Shaki. If, for example, you want that to be contextualized only around the location. So, have you given it a role now? What is the next? Who can guess what A is now? Action. Tell it what now you want. I've given you my history. I have given you a title. When you're employing someone, for those who are either in business or are going to get into business, you want to get only the best. That is exactly what you're going to do with AI. So action it. Give it action. Command it. It is under your beck and call. Tell it now, build for me this particular proposal. Start with it to be as detailed as possible. The way you give work to someone you trust, what will you tell them? Will you not give them details? You will give them details so that they give you the best, isn't it? So action, tell it to act for you. What is the next? Format. What format do you want? If you do not tell AI the kind of format you want your document to, it will give you what it knows. And anyway, it might give you good, it might give you what you don't want. But if you want a particular format, just tell it, start with the executive summary, go to introduction, research about this before you write this paragraph, tell it the format you want. Okay? And then lastly is what? T. Target. Who is the target audience? Is that document for your lecturer? Is that document for you an investor? Is that document for fellow students? Is that document for you? Tell it, the output of this document is going to be read by the board. The output of this document is going to be received by the lecturer. I am the user of this document, and then generate. Now, I hope you have gotten. If I have not taught you anything, I'm hoping you've understood this one. I don't know why this. Anyway, no problem. I want to demonstrate. I just need help. I want to demonstrate something. Sorry, just give me 1 minute. My laptop has refused to pick. Anyway, as they help me switch it on, I want us to discuss about use cases and use AI, artificial intelligence. I want one of you to give me a problem, a real life problem. It could be a problem in school, a challenge. Let me call it a challenge. Anything. Tell me about something you want to solve or you want solved. Tell me anything. I want to challenge us right now and use what we have learned so far. Anyone? Sorry? Yes? Anyone? Give me something, anything. Anything. It can be any problem in the world. It can be anything. Sorry? Yes, sir? Writing a project. Okay. So, what is the challenge in writing a project today? Process and procedure. Very good. Let us be one. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Gentlemen, ladies, let us hear. We have a challenge that I want us to solve. Writing a project procedure. Is that a challenge for most of us? Is it a challenge? A project proposal, the procedure. Okay? So what does success look like for that it is working? Do you want to be seeing it on your phone? Do you want to be displayed, or you want an AI that you can ask and it tells you? That is the success. Okay, good. So, okay. What is the first thing we tell AI? Context. I want to, what do you want to do? I want to create an AI that chats with me on the process of writing a research paper. Is that okay? Is that context enough? Is there something I've missed? Okay, you are my research expert. Do you want to give them a location or research expert in the world? Is it research in the whole world or research only in a particular area? In the whole world. Okay. So we told AI. Right now we are building. We are building with AI. Please let me get your attention. I want to build an AI that is going to help me in knowing the process of writing a research paper. You are my research expert in the world. None can be compared to you. And then next, what you tell it? Build for me an application that understands the research process. Build for me a what? An AI application that understands the research process. Two ways. AI built for you, or you can attach what you have been taught in class. So, for example, if you have a standard procedure that is written down, attach it to the AI so that it understands that. Otherwise, because you have given it permission, let it build for you. And then from action, what do you tell it? I want it in what format? How do you want to access that AI? Behind there, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you hear me. I hope you can hear me. Remember, I have one mic and one voice. So what is the next thing you tell AI? No, we have already told it to action. Build for me an application. That format. In what format do you want to interact with this AI? Do you want it as a chatbot? Do you want it as a website? Do you want it as a text message? How do you want it? We are solving as a text message. So what do you tell it? Build for me an application that is going to create for me a research, or rather show me research process and give it to me as a text message. Are we clear? And then lastly, who is this for? Is it for the lecturers? Is it for the students? Who is going to use this application? Yes, students. So this application is for students, and your solution will be built. Please let us appreciate our challenger today. We have built an AI solution on the ground. If you do not understand anything today, please understand this. How you engage with AI will determine how you build with AI. Please repeat after me. how you engage with AI will determine how you build with AI. It does not matter, okay, don't say this. It does not matter who you want to become. It does not matter who you want to become. If you want to become, don't repeat now. I beg. It does not matter who you want to become. If you want to become a translator, if you want to become a translator, follow the method. If you want to become a doctor, follow the method. Are we clear? Okay, good. I want us now to conclude so that we don't, what did we say? If you do not, what did we say now? What did we say? I want us to do just 2-3 demonstrations so that when you go, I want you to test on your own, okay? All right, good. So what I'm showing you has already been developed. You don't need to go and develop AI. Someone else has done it. Now, I want to show you something that when you leave, when you finish, please, ladies and gentlemen, I need your attention. I need your attention. This is what I'm going to show you. How many people have a public profile? How many people have a public profile? That people would ask you about you, and they don't have to ask you by mouth. They can go online and find it. A website, you have a website? Fantastic. Now, please appreciate her. She's well. Anyone else? Anyone else? We have only one person. Good. Today, I'll show you what to build, how to show the world who you are. All you need is your mobile phone. The first thing I want you to do right now, please take a selfie. I'm going to take a selfie as well. Please take a selfie. Please take a selfie. I'm not joking. No. Please take a selfie with your phone. If you have a phone that can take it, please take a selfie. Please take a selfie. So just take a picture right now. Okay, I need you to pay attention. When you go back today, during your break, once you've taken a selfie, go to an application called Gemini. Most of you know Gemini. You know what I'm about to do, isn't it? Create a professional photo of yourself. No excuse saying no studio. No excuse saying I do not have a suit. This is what we're going to do. I want you to read that. Can you see that? Can you see what I've done? Can you see what I've done? Yes, I can see, you can see. What have I done? What have I done? I have created a profile photo. I have created what? A profile photo. Let me add something. What it has understood is that I do not have hair with this. Okay? Let me build some hair now. So when you have time, go and build your profile photo. Okay? And this is what we have done with AI. And this is what you have done with AI. You can create it big on a dining table, in a boardroom, anywhere. Okay? Okay, let us pay attention. I shall not move until I face quietness. I shall not continue until we are quiet in the room. But if you do that, have fun. You can build anything. You can build yourself eating. You can build yourself in a boardroom talking to people. Anything you want, okay? I want us to create a presentation in how many minutes? I want us to create a presentation in 2 minutes. I'm going to use this case study, okay? Sometimes when we are late in our world of work and you don't have time to create a presentation, use gamma.app. Please put this down. These are very important tools. Gamma.app. Gamma. 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 .app. Gamma.app. This one. This. Gamma.app. Have you seen what I've done with that? Can you see this? Attention, please. I need your attention. I need your attention. I need your attention. Very simple. I want to create a presentation in how many minutes? Okay. So let's generate an outline. Are you seeing that? What has it built? An outline. So if you are okay with this outline, we will go ahead and generate. Okay, let us add a few things. Do you want it minimal? Do you want it details or do you want it extensive? Details. Let's put it details. Good. Colors. Let us use colors. Where are you? Now to show me the colors. You will see it on my right. Do we use this? Yes or no? Yes, sir? Okay. Let us use the theme. Select theme. Okay? Good. I want it to be realistic. So I'm going to say photo. Realistic. And then generate. Are you seeing what AI is doing? It has been trained to develop presentations. Gamma app has been trained to develop any presentation you want to go and make. At work, in class, for an interview, it does not matter. Did I spend time telling you to present? I did how many lines? Only 2 lines, isn't it? Yes. So it is building. That is it. Okay? Some of you might be using this. For those who do not know, it's an opportunity to try it. All right. So a full presentation is being built. There we go, and so on and so forth. So it's still building. Okay. Very good. So what we have done, we have created a presentation. Fantastic. And you can present it the way you like. All right. So I think now we understand what AI can do. Okay. I think do we understand what AI can do up to this point? Do we understand what AI can do up to this point? So with this presentation, you can download it on PowerPoint, you can download it on PDF, you can download it anywhere. So lastly, ladies and gentlemen, lastly to our presentation, lastly, this is where we are. Ladies and gentlemen, I need your attention. I need your attention. I need your attention. I need your attention now as we finish. As we finish, please, let us have one mic, one focus. One mic, one focus. One mic, one focus, so that we give a chance to the next class. Okay? Please write this down. See what you're seeing on the screen. Please write this down. When you use AI, okay? I want us to create 4 rules. Anytime you use AI, you have to make sure you use these rules. Rule number 1, get permission. Rule number 1, get permission. Even if you're going to use it in school, make sure your authorities grant you permission for your work. Very important. Okay? Get permission. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Do not leave out anyone. Avoid bias. What do I mean? What do I mean when I say when you're building your solution, make sure that everyone is included. If you're including men, if you're including women, if you're including children, if you're including people with disability, if you're including black or white, if you're including countries, be inclusive. Are we clear? Are we clear? Very good. Thirdly, you must ensure that every procedure that you do to build AI, you have documented. You have documented. You must be transparent. So that if your boss, if your lecturer, if your authority comes to ask, how did you build? You must show them this is the procedure I used. And then lastly, what do you do? What do you do? Lastly, what do you do? Test it, test it, test it. Check with real users. Please. For example, we built an AI to show what? Procedure, project, process, procedure. Test it with real people. Test it with your classmates. Test it with your friends. Test it, test it, test it. At the end of the day, are we ready to build with AI? Are we ready to build with AI? So how do you build with AI as we close? Use the craft method. How do you use with AI? How do you build with AI? Give it what? Context. Give it what? Role. Give it what? Action. Give it what? Format. And lastly, give it what? Now you are ready to build with AI. Congratulations. Give it up for yourself. This is very important. We're going to do a very small test. A very small test. 7 minutes. Once you're done with your test, you can walk out. Okay? Okay? So please scan this QR code. Can you be able to scan this? Scan this. In the next 1 minute, there are people going around with phones. Scan, 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 and scan. I'm going to open it up for 7 minutes, but I'll give you 2 minutes to get in. Use QR code. Please use this QR code. Anyone facing difficulty? There's someone going round. There's someone going round. Yes? I said, can we put the code? Just scan it. And then it will take you to the test. You scan the code and you start the test. Scan the code, it will take you straight to the questions. Please remember the top person, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, start, no problem. Start. Are you able to start? Okay, some of you have started. Once you're done with the quiz, you are going to go. Let me see how many people are. 25 people are done with it. 25 people so far. Good job. 28 now. When you're done with the quiz, you are good to go. 29 now.